our mini Bitz run today. We're heading out to Lake Barlow, Ponderosa Cafe and some other place that's, I'm not too sure.
Times like this, you just take it slow.
So we're at Ponderosa Cafe now. So we've all just been for breakfast and then we're going to head to Lake Barlow after here. But as you can see, the weather's it's turned wet.
I was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights all around me keep blinding my eyes from you and the truth. Don't tell me, don't tell me, don't tell me why. I know, no, no, you won't save my life, save my life. Baby, keep on, you're making the waves. You and I will never be safe, be safe. If the walls come down, will you pick me off the ground? If the walls come down, will you save me or burn me down?
Oh God. It's fine, no, you're right.
Be alright, they'll dry out. Oh, it's deep! Oh, I've got wet foot, committed. Hand, shift. This is literally what we do for... What we do. You'll be fine there. Do it. And my feet are soaked. Right. Ah!
It's just flat roll.
Getting them shots. Oh my. Right, let's go over here. Oh God.
Thanks for that, Lee, mate.
Does look good there though, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
it's
Kenzie, I don't think you can get out there.
It's absolutely savage.
Just put your fingers in it.
Yes, Kenzie, go on.
Oh yeah, I so wish I had a slab. Get me one-sided on, I'm going in.
Hi guys, I'm Sam from the Mini Bitz team. I just want to say, if you're watching, whoever's come to me, thank you for coming. It's been really lovely. If you want to see more create brilliant content like this, click the like button, share, subscribe, share it to all your friends, put it on your Facebook, and also click the notification bell to get brilliant content like this. If you want products and you want accessories and you want to know about the local meets, you go on www.killerchrome.co.uk. Cheers guys.